Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ZipRecruiter extension for Chrome and fix LinkedIn navigation. Full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the ZipRecruiter extension for Chrome, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots to access the menu. From the drop-down, select More Tools. Then, click on Extensions to open the Extensions Manager. In the Extensions Manager, locate the ZipRecruiter extension from the list of installed extensions. Once you find it, click on the Remove button. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Remove again to confirm the uninstallation. The ZipRecruiter extension will now be uninstalled from your Chrome browser. Next, to fix LinkedIn navigation, ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner again. Hover over Help and select About Google Chrome. If there is an update available, Chrome will download it automatically. Once updated, restart the browser for the changes to take effect. If you're still experiencing navigation issues on LinkedIn, consider clearing your browser cache. To do this, click on the three vertical dots once more. Go to Settings, then scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Select Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog, make sure cached images and files is checked. Then click the Clear Data button. After this step, return to LinkedIn and refresh the page to see if navigation improves. If problems persist, try disabling other extensions that might conflict with LinkedIn. Navigate back to the Extensions Manager. Toggle off any extensions that could be causing issues. Finally, restart your browser again to ensure all changes take effect. Your LinkedIn navigation should now function more smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.